How do I install and configure KVM, kernel-based virtual machine? Imagine turning your Linux computer into a powerful machine that can run multiple operating systems at once. That's what KVM, or kernel-based virtual machine, allows you to do. It's built right into the Linux kernel, making it a seamless way to create virtual environments. But how do you get it up and running? Let's walk through the steps together. First, you need to check if your computer's processor supports hardware virtualization. This is essential because KVM relies on these features for good performance. On Linux, open your terminal and type cat/cpuinfo egrep vmx svm. If you see vmx for Intel or svm for AMD, your hardware supports virtualization. If not, you'll need to enable virtualization in your BIOS or UEFI settings, which usually involves restarting your computer and entering the Setup menu. Next, you'll install the necessary packages. If you're using a Linux distribution like Ubuntu or Debian, run sudo apt update to refresh your package list. Then install KVM and related tools with sudo apt install, QEMU KVM libvirt daemon system, libvirt clients bridge utils virt manager. The QEMU KVM package is the core hypervisor, while libvirt manages virtual machines. The bridge utils help set up network bridges, and virt manager provides a graphical interface if you prefer clicking over typing. If you're on a Red Hat-based system like CentOS or Rocky Linux, the commands differ slightly. First, update your repositories with sudo yum update. Then install the virtualization group with sudo dnf group install, virtualization host. Follow this by installing additional tools. Sudo yum install virt top libguest stools virt manager libvirt python virtinst. Enable and start the libvirt service with sudo systemctl enable now libvirted. Once installed, verify everything is working. Check if the KVM modules are loaded by typing elsmod grep kvm. You should see entries for KVM Intel or KVM YMD. Then, confirm the libvirt service is active with sudo systemctl status libvirted. To see your virtual machines, run sudo virtuallist. If you see no errors, you're ready to create VMS. Networking setup is the next step. You can use libvirt's default network, which uses network address translation to give your VMS internet access. For more advanced setups, you can create a network bridge that connects your VMS directly to your physical network. This involves creating a new network interface and configuring it to bridge with your main network interface, which is useful if your VMS need their own IP addresses on your local network. Finally, managing your virtual machines is straightforward. You can use virt manager for a visual approach, creating and configuring new VMS with a few clicks. Or, if you prefer command line, use virsh commands to create, start, stop, and delete virtual machines. You can install different operating systems inside these VMS, whether it's Linux, Windows, or others, depending on your needs. KVM turns your Linux system into a flexible, efficient hypervisor. It's perfect for testing, development, or running multiple servers on one machine. By following these steps, you'll have a solid setup that makes full use of your hardware's virtualization capabilities. Now, you're ready to build and manage virtual environments with confidence.